Hey guys, it is Greg again. I'm going to do a quick analysis on Kadena or KDA, very popular coin all the way up until about November, the middle of November of 2021, and it has been going down since. And I am going over this coin in more in depth, quick analysis, but more in depth to take a look at this coin a little closer. Some people are going to disagree with me, but I think that I'm going to be right. So you see here, I have this labeled WXY. I'm going to explain why I have that labeled as a WXY, because these are ABC moves. They're three-way moves up. And if you take the RSI, the highest peak on the RSI is right there, divergence up to there, making that an impulse move, came down on a B, and you can see that this is a peak. So between here and here, this is the highest peak on the RSI. You can see that. No divergence, no divergence. So three-way move. Three-way moves have no divergence. Down for a three-way move, making, and then up, which looks like a an impulse third wave move. And if you go through here, here's your third wave peak on that move, making this the fifth right here, okay? And this might be the peak of the fifth, coming down for a B wave, and then going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving you divergence here. So in my opinion, this is a 3-3 move up. Now, some people are going to make the argument that this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, and it does hit the fib levels, as you can see. If you check these fib levels, okay, that this is 1, 2, 3. That argument is no longer valid because of this over here, because that would make this a fourth wave. And if you check the retracement on this leg, the bottom right there all the way to the top, it has gone over 50%. It just broke through the 50% level. So if this is an impulse move, then this has to be a 1, 2, and has nothing to do with that over there. Okay, so that's the only option. Once it goes beyond 50%, you have to rule out wave 4. It's too deep for a wave 4. It has to either be a 1, 2. And I think I have an argument for this being an actual ABC move up. It's just the only thing that I could think with a coin like Kadena is that people got in here, it retraced, and then they FOMO'd in right here and just pushed this this leg up like that. Okay, you can't even label this ABC because they're three-way moves within there, so it has to be labeled WXY. So did ABC, ABC, ABC up, three-way moves. That's why I labeled it WXY. Now over here is I have the WXY and a three-way move, and then another three-way move. Now I'm going to go over to TradingView because I like to use it. It's a little bit easier to use right here. So three-way move, and then a three-way move. We're at the same spot on TradingView. So this move, I'm going to say that it's like some sort of A up for a B, and then this down here is like a C. Okay, where this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. Possibly, okay, like that. So I would this is likely going to be something like A, B, and then down for a C. And you can check the fib levels on that, where it, yeah, it's in C leg territory, just beyond the 1.6. It might not be done. It might have another bounce and then come down a little bit more. So that would make a nice 3, 3, and then another 3. It actually makes nice three-way moves for this coin, actually. So the issue that I was letting you guys know is to be careful with this coin is that it has more downside, in my opinion. If you take a look at the RSI, it did take everything out on this peak, which is a good sign. But with Bitcoin possibly having more downside and the rest of the market, I would say the likelihood of having more downside is pretty high. If you go to this chart, though, it didn't take out the RSI. So I don't know which one is correct, but if it didn't take that out, it's going to probably swing back up and need to take that out on a three-way move. You know, swing back up and take everything out and go deeper into the RSI. So with Kadena, it is going to probably do full W, back up for an X, three-way move up, and then back down for Y. Now, this could, depending on the crypto market with Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other markets, if it gets ugly, this could get ugly, because you can see here's some pretty good selling, steadied up, and now there's really, really good selling here again. And it's probably going to be the same thing, not up much, and then this Y will just come down pretty aggressively. Very difficult to get a target on that. Normally, you know, I would go with a 618 on that target. If it popped up like that, I would go with a 618, likely something like that on Kadena in this area. From the 0.5 618 as deep as a 786, and it can go down to 1.0. But I would stick first with that area, and deep is there. But right now, I'd be looking for Kadena to go down to about $1.05 possibly. Okay, and you know, if somebody else wants to get on there and show me how that's not a bullish move, you know, for here, you know, you can see here, even on this RSI, you know, there's no divergence between this peak to that peak, even on TradingView. So it's an A, B, C up, guys, and it's doing three-way moves down. It'll do another bounce at some point. It might dump a little bit more. Could be a third wave, pop up and dump a little bit more, a bounce, and then a swing back down into the box to about $1, more or less. And then you're going to want to see on the RSI where it did take it out here, but swing back up and just go deeper on the RSI. And the best would be take everything out, especially on that other chart that I have here. Go down, that went down pretty deep. You want to see it swing back up, take everything out, and then possibly Kadena coin will find a decent bottom. All right, guys, that's the end of my quick analysis of Kadena. Thanks for watching. Peace.